Are you running late for your office due to delay in public transport? Even you can feel exhausted into the overcrowded transportation. Now you can enjoy convenient ride with Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi service. It is a leading yellow taxi service provider in Texas. They have earned the reputation of offering 24/7 door-to-door transportation along with on-time pickup and delivery anywhere in Mineral Wells, Texas. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean, well-maintained and sanitized after every ride. They have a team of highly skilled, experienced drivers with friendly attitude who ensure safe journey to their passengers. They always choose the best possible shortcut routes so that the passengers can reach their destination on time. And the best part is that, their yellow taxi ride is available at affordable fare. Are you willing to book a yellow taxi ride? Dial 817-881-6863 or send an email at contact@bigtexascabs.com. For more information, visit https://bigtexascabs.com/.